Multiplication is repeated addition. Starting with 1, we'll go up to 10. Sing it with us till you can do it by yourself.
Come on, let's go! 5 times table. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times table.
Hi, my dear pupils! I'm so happy to see you today. I'm Teacher Marian, your Grade 4 Math Dali buddy. Wear your beautiful smile and remember, the best way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Get ready with your pen and paper because today we're going to a Math Dali venture. Let's go to our Math Amazing classroom. Come on, Ana Antonio. Let's go to our Math Amazing classroom and see the progress of our room.
Welcome, Mathly buddies. I am Math Thinker MJ, your companion in this Mathly venture. It seems that you are trying to access an off-limit area. To make this accessible, get ready with your pen and paper because it's drill time. Now, let's look back at your previous lesson before you start a new and exciting one with Teacher Marian, Anna, and our Mathly buddies. Are you ready?
Aba, syempre po!
In 5 seconds, identify the least common multiple of the following numbers. Number 1. What is the least common multiple of 25 and 75? A. 5, B. 25, C. 75. The correct answer is 75. Math-terrific. Number 2. What is the least common multiple of 21 and 56? A. 112, B. 168, C. 172. The correct answer is 168. Excellent. Number 3. What is the least common multiple of 9 and 36? A. 18, B. 27, C. 36. If you answered 36, you got it right. Number 4. How about 12 and 16? What is the LCM? A. 48, B. 72, C. 81. The correct answer is 48. Math-terrific. Number 5. What is the least common multiple of 13 and 39? A. 26, B. 39, C. 78. "39", you got the correct answer. Did you get it all correctly? Keep up the good work, Mathly buddies. Congratulations! Access granted. You are ready to learn your new lesson. Comprehend the lesson with Teacher Marian to unlock new learnings. Good luck, Mathly buddies!
Math galing! I am happy that together with Math Thinker MJ, you were able to determine the least common multiple of the given numbers using your big brain energy.
Teacher Marian, we're done fixing 4 areas in our Math Amazing Playroom.
Also, Tonyo told me that on our next lesson, he will be able to join us again. Get well soon, Tonyo!
That is right, Anna. Tonyo, eat fruits and vegetables. Anna and your mathly buddies missed you already.
Yes, I agree, Teacher Marian. Look at the tablet corner, game area, the wallpaper, and math charts. It's looking good as new.
Absolutely, Anna. And today is another day, another challenge for us. But don't worry, we can fix it together with our mathly buddies. Today, let's try to fix the bookshelves. Oh no! The books are scattered everywhere, and the bookshelves are not on their best condition. Let's move closer.
There are fractions written on it. Aside from the fractions written on the bookshelves and on the scattered books, there is also a direction here. Change the following improper fraction to mixed numbers and vice versa. Changing the following improper fractions to mixed numbers and vice versa? I'm not familiar to that, but I am excited to learn that lesson today.
Of course, Anna. I know that you are all eager to learn our new lesson today. This calls for another mathly venture. A fraction is a part of a whole. It consists of a numerator and a denominator. The numerator represents the number of equal parts that are shaded, in which is the number found above the fraction bar, while the denominator represents the equal parts the whole is divided into, which is the number found under the fraction bar. Look at these examples. Since a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, then we use 4 as the denominator. How many shaded parts are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There are 10 shaded parts, and we will use 10 as the numerator. It is read as 10 over 4, and it is an improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Other examples are 15 over 7, 213 over 72, and 32 over 18. On the other hand, we can also read the illustration as 2 and 1/2. How? In this example, the fraction 4/4 represents 1 whole. Next is we have another whole or 4/4 parts. Then lastly, adding 2/4. We have 2 and 2/4, or in lowest terms, 2 and 1/2. Mixed number is a number always expressed in a whole number and a proper fraction. From the illustration, we can say that 10 over 4 is equal to 2 and 1 over 2. Here are the magic steps on how to change improper fraction to mixed number. With an improper fraction, division is the action. Change 22 over 5 into a mixed number. Magic step number 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 22 divided by 5. Since 5 cannot divide 22 in equal parts, we will have a remainder. But note that there are 4 5s in 22 since 4 times 5 is 20. Then, we subtract to get the remainder. 22 minus 20 is 2. Magic step number 2. The quotient becomes the whole number. In this case, 4 is the whole number. Magic step number 3. The remainder will be the numerator. In our solution, 2 is the numerator. Magic step number 4. Copy the denominator or the divisor. Let us do these mathly activities. Change the following improper fractions to mixed numbers. 44 over 3. 44 divided by 3. Since 3 cannot divide 44 in equal parts, we will have a remainder. But note that there are 14 3s in 44, since 14 times 3 is 42. Then, we subtract to get the remainder. 14 is the whole number. 2 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. 44 over 3 is equal to 14 and 2/3. Your turn! I will give you 10 seconds to answer. Change 25 over 6 to mixed number. Is your answer 4 and 1 over 6? Math amazing! Now, here are the magic steps on how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction. With the mixed number, multiply, add, and copy are the actions. Change 4 and 2 over 5 into an improper fraction. Magic step number 1. Multiply the denominator to the whole number. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Magic step number 2. Add the product in step 1 to the numerator. 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. Magic step number 3. Copy the sum in step 2 as the numerator. 22 as the numerator. And magic step number 4. Then copy the denominator. It means that 4 and 2 over 5 is equal to 22 over 5. Let us do these mathly activities. Change the following mixed numbers into improper fractions. Change 3 and 4 over 5 into an improper fraction. Let us multiply the denominator to the whole number. 5 times 3 is 15. Add the product to the numerator. 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Then copy the sum as the numerator and copy the denominator. 3 and 4 over 5 is equal to 19 over 5. Your turn! I will give you 10 seconds to answer. Change 12 and 4 over 7 to improper fraction. Is your answer 88 over 7? Math-terrific! Now that you have learned the magic ways on how to change improper fractions to mixed numbers and vice versa, it's time for our Mathly activity. Mathly, mathly, mathly! Activity time! You will be given 5 seconds to answer each number to finally fix the bookshelves. Remember, basta kasama si Teacher Marian ngayong second quarter, kaya yan! Ready, Mathly buddies?
Aba, syempre po!
Change the following improper fractions to mixed numbers. Number 1, 25 over 19. A, 1 and 6 over 19. B, 6 and 1 over 19. C, 19 and 1 over 6. If your answer is letter A, math amazing! Number 2, 72 over 13. A, 6 and 1 over 13. B, 7 and 5 over 13. C, 5 and 7 over 13. Letter C. Great job! Number 3. 17 over 12. A. 1 and 12 over 12. B. 1 and 5 over 12. C. 1 and 17 over 12. If your answer is letter B, math-terrific! Let's now go to the next part of our activity. This time, you will change the following mixed numbers into improper fractions. You will still be given 5 seconds to answer. Number 4. 2 and 1 over 3. A. 6 over 3. B. 7 over 3. C. 3 over 3. Letter B, you got it right! Last number, 5 and 3 over 17. A. 88 over 17. B. 85 over 17. C. 25 over 17. Is your answer letter A? Great job! Splendid answers! Math-terrific!
Math amazing! You did the magnificent work. The bookshelves are now good as new and the books are on its proper place. Congratulations, Teacher Marian, Anna, and Mathly buddies.
Yay! We've done it, Mathly buddies! Math amazing!
To sum up, you have learned how to change improper fractions to mixed numbers using these magic steps. With an improper fraction, division is the action. Magic step number 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Magic step number 2. The quotient becomes the whole number. Magic step number 3. The remainder will be the numerator. And magic step number 4. Copy the denominator or the divisor. We also learned how to change mixed numbers to improper fractions using these magic steps. To change a mixed number into an improper fraction, with a mixed number, multiply, add, and copy are the actions. Magic step number 1. Multiply the denominator to the whole number. Magic step number 2. Add the product to the numerator. Magic step number 3. Copy the sum in step 2 as the numerator. And magic step number 4. Copy the denominator. Do you want to be our Mathly buddy of the day? Come on! Take a picture of yourself with the help of your parents or guardian while watching our math episodes in DepEd TV. Post it on your parents' or guardian's Facebook account and use the hashtag #MathlyBuddy4 or simply message our Facebook page Mathly Buddy with your name and school. Keep this in mind, the best way to learn mathematics
Is to do mathematics.
remember, basta kasama si Teacher Marian.
At Math Thinker MJ.
Ngayong second quarter, kaya yan! That's it for today, Mathly buddies. See you on our next math exciting and math amazing activities.